Unit 560 Requirements Management AI Solution. AI assists investment managers by automating tasks such as data collection supervision and active risk control. This oversight drives the core workflows of portfolio, order, and execution systems. Each function in the workflow has a link to AI that takes actions on behalf of the portfolio manager. Reliance on AI can have unintentional results, as would depending on any unsupervised automated system. AI does the tedious work, and human checkpoints ensure that compliance and asset allocation remain key for sensitive decisions. Data collection functions use AI to optimize sources and analyze news and market data that feeds into portfolio construction, portfolio analysis, and risk management. AI-generated insights from all PMS and risk supporting functions are compiled into reports. These reports, containing both summarized and detailed information, are then distributed to the relevant roles requiring updates. Portfolio construction and portfolio maintenance rely on AI to fine-tune and keep portfolios in shape by optimizing allocations and monitoring performance in the PMS. Portfolio compliance and risk management use AI to make sure rules are followed and risks are watched in real time. Order handling and position adjustment use AI to make trade execution smoother. Portfolio analysis and portfolio rebalancing use AI to spot trends and adjust strategies by identifying market patterns and optimizing rebalancing. AI controls the portfolio management system, or the PMS, with data collection functions that gather and analyze news and market data. AI uses that feed to engage with portfolio analysis to construct a portfolio and create positions for the assets. When AI recognizes trends, data is directed into analytical models designed to anticipate market activity. AI capitalizes on subtle activity to avoid unintended consequences by adjusting strategies using position adjustment and portfolio rebalancing functions. AI fine-tunes and maintains portfolios by monitoring the performance of portfolio construction and optimizing allocations with portfolio maintenance. AI monitors portfolio compliance to ensure rules are followed and adjusts positions as required. AI continually generates insights and distributes reporting through the PMS's portfolio reporting features. AI will engage order handling functions from the order management system, or the OMS, to find the best route for the order and ensure efficient order management. When preparations are complete, the order is handed off for execution. AI uses the EMS, or the execution management system, to make trade execution smoother by monitoring fills against market activity to ensure a consistent rate toward completion. AI uses the risk management system to ensure compliance with portfolio restrictions and asset valuation thresholds. Deviations are monitored and programs are modified to optimize the parameters used in future situations. Artificial intelligence is a double-edged sword. One edge reduces errors driven by human emotions, while the other diminishes human intuition and the seasoned gut instinct. Human judgment guides asset selection, forming the foundation of a portfolio. Artificial intelligence can identify patterns and highlight discrepancies in data analysis. However, relying solely on automated systems for financial decisions relinquishes accountability and may elevate risks. Unit 560 Requirements Management AI Solution.